Oh right, what the hell just happened? Okay, right. What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. And first of all, we get all the things done. I wish you guys a happy new year and may this 2021 will be great and prosperous new year for you, everyone who you guys. So we have a headphone which is from SoniGear, and this is the Airphone ANC 3000, which is an active noise cancellation headphone, and I was really into this, and it's looked really great. So this thing has a 15-hour battery, active noise cancellation, and 24 hours for normal usage of the headphone. And this thing has a 400 mAh battery life, which is kind of how to try and how to do in the full review about how does this varies with this much of battery and how can I wear this thing for such a long time. I have to see this personally, testing this out for maybe 2 or 3 weeks. So before all the things, let's just unbox this, right? So the box we have, oh okay, so here are the things we have in the headphone box. So we have a micro USB cable, so we have the AUX cable with that, and you have the user manual, and also you get this pouch from SoniGear to carry your headphones. Alright, so beforehand, this, I have to say, this is a budget one, so this is like 10,000 rupees Sri Lanka or 50 USD. So this is a budget headphone which seems to be good. I don't know, I have to check it and try it. Alright, so that's why it has a package like this. Alright, okay. Alright. Oh my goodness me. Look at this. It's so good. It feels so good. This is actually plastic, but I feel good. It's hard plastic, and yeah, there have the SoniGear logo here on the top of the headband, and the mesh is so much good. Oh my goodness me. Look at this. This is a good headphone. You can see, you can feel. I can feel it. I mean, you have to feel the quality of this headphone. It's so good. It's not a fake cheap one. I don't have a doubt to say when I first, if you get a cheap one, you definitely feel the cheapness if you take into your hand, but this is not. It's actually pretty much good. This is pretty good. The SoniGears are doing something. They're doing something which is incredible. That I love. The texture is a matte white, which is really great. So this headphone's been like this. So when you put it in the case, it goes like this. So it's not like the other headphones. They doesn't fold from the. This is not like the premium headphones. They don't fold the other way. So these headphones have all the buttons. So they have the play and pause, answer calls from this button, and this button for forward and backward and volume up and down. So these two are for that. And this here has, in the left ear cup, you have the active noise cancellation button right here. It's a switch. It's not a button. It's a switch. Rate in the comment section. What is the rating that you're going to give from the look? So let's put this on and check how good the sound is, and so let's give this thing a rate. How good this thing looks. No, how good this thing sounds. It looks pretty good, but who knows? It's going to be sound. We have to check it out. So, so this headband can elongate like this. Oh my goodness. So can adjust to your head. I got a big brain, so I have a big head. So yeah, so let's see how does this thing feels, and let's rate the comfort of this. Okay, all right. So actually, I cannot hear. I can hear things outside here. Yeah, there's a difference. It compresses my head a little bit to achieve that noise cancellation. Yes, oh my goodness. Alright, so I had to say, so this is the difference. Okay, so it's like a transparency mode. Actually, this is not. I'm not listening to music, right? I'm not listening to music. I'm just comparing this the comfort and all the other stuff that need in an headphone. So I probably might, yeah, I probably might wear this for maybe maximum. I can wear this for an hour maybe maximum, but I don't think because it's so much compressing the lower part of the earlobe. But this noise cancellation mode is so different than what I expected. So the thing that you're going to achieve from the noise cancellation is you are going to cancel off the ambient noise outside. So, but when you turn on this, there's something different happening. I don't know what happened, but definitely something happens. So how does it look? Does it look great or does it look fine? How does it look? Does it look great like that? Or just fine? Or what is the rating you're going to give for the looks? I'm putting like this, you know. So I connected this thing, so it has 100% battery right now, which is good, which I really appreciate, and make sure you give a couple of points for that. Yeah, make sure you give a couple of points instead of me, right? Good, great. All right, let's do the test, the real test of headphone, which listen to some music. All right, let's listen to some good music. Good jam music, bro. Good jam music. So, like the wall. There's 3 buttons back there. Oh. There's guitars. Alright, so quick point here. With the maximum volume, there's a little bit of sound bleeding, which is like the bass. This is to be honest, the bass is good here. The bass is really good. More than I totally more than I expected. The bass is really good. It's doing something. So to be fair, so the buttons are. It's really good because you know the buttons are not in the front, it's in the back side of the headphones. So when you put this headphones in your head, the headphones should go in your head. What I'm talking about. Never mind. So the buttons are here, so you can from here you can just, you know, it's easy for reach, you know, it's really easy for the active noise cancellation. You can go like that. So it is also again easy, like you have the active noise cancellation button there. That's easy. So it's really good. It's do a crushing in your head, by the way. I have to say that it's good, and it's not perfect. It's a low budget. It's $50. The super quality and most favorite, the Sony WH-1000 MX4s and MX3s. Those are the great ones. I have to test those things, but still I do not have any way to test. This is a good headphone, I have to say. And if you're trying to, right, this is so great. If you're trying to go for a budget version of the headphone, if you don't want to spend a lot of money in a headphone, and if you want something good for a headphone, you want my pick? This.